Hello and welcome back to Dine with Mr. Darcy. I'm your host, Darcy. Watashi wa Darcy desu. Minan Darcy ha. Oja Darcy. Jonan Darshimida. Today I'm down at Goo with Toramasa, located down on Robson Street, nearby the H Mart. They have four locations in Vancouver and one in Toronto. Today I'm at their Osaka-based one. I will be coming back to feature Osaka items next time I'm here. But today I'm just going to have a simple menu. Today I've ordered their stewed kakuni, or stewed pork belly. Then I got their jellyfish and mustard stem, and pork tenderloin. And I ordered their karage, because I like to try different restaurants' karage, because it seems every restaurant seems to do it quite differently from restaurant to restaurant. So I am quite hungry, and I'm looking forward to having a real nice menu here. The staff here is really awesome, super friendly. You can't go wrong with the food here. So I know, unfortunately, I got to reprint my Henshin Tiger shirt for next time I come. But anyhow, it's going to be really great. So next time I'm here, I'm going to feature their Osaka-based items. Osaka is known for their baseball, takoyaki, okonomiyaki, and other things. Essentially, it's also home of, if you're an AKB fan, it's home of Masuda Yuka and current Grabber idol Rino Hashimoto. But anyhow, just don't mind this. Ignore this. It's all good. I'm just very hungry. I haven't ate all day, so I just got out recently, so I'm just relaxing right now. I just need some quiet. So yeah, anyhow, I'm looking forward to doing our monthly mukbang here. And I'm going to be bringing some special guests coming up to this restaurant as well. So it's going to be quite fun. It's a very nice little pub here. I am going to take you to the other locations as well, because there's Goo with Garlic on Robson Street. Then there's also one on Furlough, which is the original location. Then they have Goo on Davie, and also one in Toronto as well. It's quite a popular Izakaya. So Izakaya is a Japanese pub. It's sort of like when you go for Spanish tapas. It's small food items, and it comes all together. So, for example, you can get free appetizers for $16, which is a great deal. But the great thing about this restaurant is they have a special menu, and their menu always changes by the day. Some items, there is some items that obviously don't change, but that's good as well. So they have sashimi, they have premium sashimi, so they have 5 kinds for $65. They have spot prawn, king salmon sushi, bluefin akami, and sweet soy marinated bluefin tuna belly. So that sounds really good. Then they also have premium sushi. Again, they have spot prawn. Oh, awesome. Wait, just give me 1 second here, guys. I'm just going to quickly grab one thing here. Sorry about that. I was just grabbing my device here because I gotta take some pictures.
Oh yeah, it's
here.
a tiny one.
It's all good.
Yeah.
The food here looks awesome. So this is the jellyfish that I have here. So this is the jellyfish and mustard stem. It looks very oishi desu. Then we have the pork tenderloin cutlet, or tonkatsu. It has a nice fresh piece of wasabi here. It looks beautiful, by the way. These guys are amazing, by the way. Really great customer service here. So, if you come here, you'll see a Henshin Tigers baseball jersey. Oh, awesome. Arigato.
Welcome.
And then this is the sous vide pork belly, and it comes with sous vide pork butt, stewed pork belly, and soft boiled eggs. So this looks phenomenal. This looks beautiful, by the way. Just easy presentation. Looks very oishi desu. The staff here is always on par. They're super friendly here. I highly recommend stopping by. I'm just gonna wait for my last dish here. Got an Instagram for eating it, right? So it's the way to go now, rather than taking pictures of surroundings. We're busy taking pictures of our food. So, but anyhow, it's all good. I just can't wait for our last food item, and then I'm going to start eating for you guys here for our mukbang. I am very hungry again because I've not eaten all day. Forgive me for popping out to grab my device, but everything's good. Make sure to grab yourself a nice Sapporo beer or a bitter desu. It's always oishi desu. I gotta say, I really enjoy this place. Lots of energy, which is good. There is another YouTuber here. I'll have him like pop in when he has a sec. I'll have him pop in and he can promote his YouTube channel as well, because it's good to support local streamers and different stuff like that. Anyhow, I was just at the Japan market earlier today. I got some really nice chocolate cake for after I'm done here. I'm looking forward to it. Other than that, I might order dessert. So for their dessert, they have, let's see here, they have churros with green tea ice cream and taiyaki with green tea ice cream, and it has red beans inside. But they also have special drinks for their happy hour. And if you are wondering, they have happy hour on Saturdays from 12 to 5. So they have a house-made honey lemon sour, Toramasa original plum sour, freshly squeezed grapefruit sour, and Okinawa shikuwasa sour, a lemon sour, and a house-made salty lemon sour. So this sounds very delicious what we have here for drink-wise. When I get my last item here, I'll start eating for you guys here. Forgive me if I'm just on some pain meds right now, so I'm just recovering right now because in less pain. But other than that, I'm good. I'm good. So make sure to comment if you've came to Gu before, because Gu is a really great restaurant and I highly recommend it. Anyhow, if you have any recommendations for restaurants you'd like me to feature in downtown Vancouver or anywhere else, this coming July I'm going to be filming up in the Okanagan, I'll be stopping by Oliver, Kelowna, and stopping by doing some wine tours, and I will be posting up all my wine tastings and stuff like that for you guys soon. Anyhow, yeah, I can't really complain here. So I think to start out here, I'll probably start out with this, with the tonkatsu, because it looks very nice. And then we have the jellyfish here, I'll say towards the end. The sous vide pork belly and all that I'm going to have after that. And I will have the karage as well, just because I'm quite hungry. Anyhow, I you are all doing well here so far. I might be filming down at Tame Royale next and some other local restaurants nearby as well. Because it's important that we try to support our local restaurants, because many restaurants in Vancouver right now have been shutting down, and we can't, how do I put it here, we don't want them to close down shop, right? So it's highly important that we help keep these restaurants going, right? So, well, I'm doing my best here. So, actually, hold on. Maybe I'm just gonna move this stuff just over here for a sec. I know it looks so good, but of course, it'd be better to have it with you guys. So, I hope you're all doing good here. And of course, when you go to a Japanese restaurant, you have to be like, itadakimasu. Anyhow, you gotta be careful with how you say kawaii in Japanese, because if you mispronounce it, because if you say kawaii incorrect, you can accidentally tell someone that they look scary rather than cute. That'd be a baka mitai move, right? So, and you don't want to do that, right? Anyhow, we got great food here. I just went for the karage, then we're good for go. But anyhow, everything's good. The Japan market this morning was really fun. I just was I had a very fun time there, and I'm just a little bit burnt out. I got myself a chocolate cake from there, then I got myself some chocolate, some coconut coffee from Broyi. They're Vietnamese coffee. I highly recommend you stop by there and have some coffee if you can from them. It's very good. Anyhow, yeah, the Japan market is also another event I highly recommend you stop by and check out. I will be filming down there, trying out a bunch of their food during the summertime coming up. Because just today I didn't really get much chance to really enjoy any food, because I had a little bit of a problem with my back and had to go to the hospital today, so I decided to come here to quickly eat and get some food in my stomach for my medication that I'll be taking. I know this is a short notice mukbang video, but anyhow, I highly recommend stopping by if you can. But yeah, I'm good. I just a little bit tired out from all the medication that I took earlier, so I'm looking forward to eating this. High in protein, very healthy for you. It's not super fattening at least, which is good. I'm just a little bit burnt out, but I just need to rest up. So I'm going to try to do a tasting next, upcoming at Sura, which is awesome. Arigato. So next up here, we got our beautiful karage here. It looks so beautiful here. It smells so nice. So I'm going to start over here with the tonkatsu. I know, it looks pretty awesome. And it has a very nice, fresh, before I do that, I'm actually going to take one quick photo here before we start eating here, because I'm think next time I come, I'm going to get the full-size portion. Or when I go to their other location down in Gastown, I'll get their deluxe karaage because it's way more different as opposed to this one here. But this one comes with aioli, lemon, all that. But it's all good. So first up here, I'm going to do the tonkatsu. Or the so let's itadakimasu. Let's have a nice, let's eat here. I'm starving hungry, so okay, have a little bite of their wasabi here. Ooh, that's nice. Has a nice degree of spiciness to it. I like that. So here is the nice piece here. It's very oishi desu with the nice tonkatsu sauce on it. It's very crispy, very nice inside. It's very oishi desu, very hot very much very suave. That's so good. Gonna do this piece next. Gotta say here, the food here is amazing, by the way. Gonna get a nice little bit of the wasabi on here, because I'm just needing something spicy right now. I am feeling quite rough, but it's all good. Gotta tough it out for now, but I'm good. I'm doing well. Just gonna finish this up, and I'll move on to our next dish, which is the stewed pork belly and the soft boiled in it. It's very nice. It's a very thin tonkatsu, but it's very nice. It's a nice little appetizer. Oh, that's so good. Wasabi, because the tonkatsu sauce is a little bit salty and sweet. I like the I really enjoy it with the sauce. It adds a little bit more flavor to it. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna eat the remnants here. So next up here is the stewed pork belly. So there are the sous vide pork belly and the stewed pork belly and sous vide pork butt with soft boiled in it. So here we go. Very meaty dish. I like that. So it comes with wasabi as well. Okay, so I think I will go with the pork belly to start here. For the kakuni, it looks very oishi desu. Let's have a little bite here. That is very beautiful. It's very porky, very fatty, very rich. And it has this nice burnt. they've done it on the grill a little bit here because it has that little barbecue taste to it, which is very delicious. So. That's amazing. So this is the soft boiled egg. Let's have a little bite here. That is again very beautiful. So if you come here, they're full of energy here, which is great. So let's get some green onions on here with a little bit of wasabi. So good. It's very nice. It's a very nice dish. So this is the wow, it's pretty big for the gotta tear this up here a little bit, guys, before I begin to eat. So this is the sous vide pork butt. It's so good. That's so good. Very delicious. The food here is quite nice. It has a little bit of a smoky taste to it, but it's very nice pork butt. It's super moist, just all around. It's delicious to eat. It has a very light sauce on it. It's not a super sweet sauce, which is quite nice. Sorry about that. I'm gonna tear this up here a little bit. I think I'll also go down to film at Kinyo as well because they do some really cool stuff as well. Anyhow, it's always good to support your local restaurants in your area if you can. No matter if you're in Surrey, Burnaby, wherever, right? That's important because we don't want restaurants to close down. So that's you next. That's amazing. Oh, that's not good. Oh, that's not good here. It's gonna go like this. But yeah, I'll try to film at Kinyo. I'll try to feature some really good restaurants in Vancouver that I think you guys would like. I'm going to try to bring you guys down to Ophelia's down in Olympic Village. They have the best bone marrow tacos. You got to try it out. It's a Michelin star Mexican restaurant. Very good, by the way. So. That's just so good. I'd say this is like the best pork butt I've had, so. It's very yosh. Very, very, very good. So I'm gonna have my last piece of the pork butt. Oh, actually no, I still got more pork butt. Kind of screwed up on that. I did not see that there. It's all good. More pork butt, the better. So. Make sure to stop by Gudam because he's been covering different restaurants as well. So. So good. I got my last piece of pork butt here. So good. I'm planning to buy Hanshin Tigers baseball jersey soon, as well as possibly get a Shohei Ohtani baseball jersey. So. I gotta say, this is very satisfying. It's quite nice and light. I recommend coming here all throughout the year because it's not super spicy. It's quite inexpensive as opposed to going to more of the upscale restaurants, right? So. Oh, it's so good. But anyhow, and it's all gone. So next up here is the jellyfish with the stem. Has a bunch of nice tofu here. Most of it has a nice little spicy sauce to it. Last time I visited here on my own, I saw this dish here. I was quite interested by it because it looks very bushy desk, so I want to see how it tastes overall. So we'll grab a little bit of the sea or the jellyfish here. It's very sweet. You can taste the ocean. It's not super salty or anything like that. I really like the jellyfish, so now we're going to get a nice little bite here of the tofu. Here. It has a little bit of chili sauce on top here. It's a little bite of the jellyfish. I gotta say, it's with the tofu and the chili sauce and the jellyfish, it makes for a very delicious bite. It's soft, creamy, sweet, spicy, and just all around very delicious dish. So far, the food here has been very oshida, very hachcha, very much saya, very swad. Can't go wrong. Let's try the stems. Very nice. It's quite nice. It's very sturdy, delicious food item. The shoots or the stems here, very nice, crunchy. It's like a pickle, but a little bit more firm. I'm going to go to Wings and do their Bobby Wings challenge. They have at Wings. They have the Bobby Wings challenge. They are 2 million Scoville units hot. So. We're down to our last bite here of the thing here. next up is finally our last item here, the chicken karaage. They did have a spicy version, but because the other items being spicy, I just wanted to see how good their original karaage is. So it looks beautiful, by the way. It's a nice 5 pieces here. Nice pieces here. Look at that nice crispiness here. It's quite phenomenal. So I'm gonna start out here with a small piece here to get a nice little plate here. Karaage, just like Korean fried chicken, they double fry it, so it has more crispiness. A lot of the times they'll use chicken fried because it's a little bit more of a juicier meat, but sometimes if they dice the chicken breast properly or do it a different way, or even if they marinate it, it helps break down the breast meat and makes it more moist, essentially. So let's have a nice bite. That's really good. If you look inside, it is breast meat for this one. It's quite nice. Got some of the aioli on here. That's it. Food here is phenomenal, by the way. I gotta say, watashi wa gankou desu. That means I'm a very stubborn personality. I'm quite, like today I was gonna come here for their happy hour to do the filming, but due to my injury at the market I was at, I decided to come film a video regardless, rain or shine. Even with me being in lots of pain right now, it's worth it. Just come out here, have a nice relaxing quiet evening, watch other people have fun. So and by the way, it goes good with Sapporo beer. They do carry Echigo beer and also Koedo beer. So if you're tired of having the regular beers like Sapporo, Asahi, or Kirin, you can also get Echigo or Koedo. Those beers are rice beers, so they use rice obviously for the brewing process, which gives it more of a distinct and unique flavor, as opposed to being brewed with other barley and malts and stuff. So juicy, so moist. This karaage is like my favorite one here. At most other restaurants I've had karaage at, it's just been so-so like here, because they have a large menu, but the food here is very oishidesu. Let's get the big guy from last year. Yeah, so this has been a very fun mukbang, lots of variety at least. When I come back, I'll try to feature more dishes from Osaka, because again, this one here is Osaka people, so it's always good to check it out. So. big of a bite. And here we go, our last piece here of the Mukbang here. So, if you look inside how dark it is, they used chicken thigh for this one. I gotta say, everything here has been so mushy desu, hacha, majisayo, very swad, awesome food here. Staff here is very friendly, got a very friendly atmosphere here. It's gotta say, it's one of my favorite restaurants to come to in downtown Vancouver if I just wanted to have something light and not so heavy, right? Plus, seeing how it's nice to support local restaurants, right? So. This is everything I've eaten tonight. I know it doesn't look like lots, but that's fine. Of course, when you come in person, it's a whole different atmosphere, obviously, because right now I'm just in a little corner section here. I gotta say, it's been pretty fun here. Tenpai, hiking, it's all good here, guys. Just gonna finish off my beer here, and I'll probably get going here. So. Well, guys, I want to say thank you for watching. Shishini, arigato, gamsamida, shukriya. I want to say thank you to Gu for the great food and the great service tonight. It was very oishi desu. Thank you to their chefs and everything. It was a phenomenal meal. Anyhow, I'd like to thank you all for watching, and until next time, I've been your host, Darcy. Goodbye.